Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Redmi Note 12 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, wrong pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, tap on power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Now release. Here you can see it will send you in MIUI recovery mode. Now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now go to wipe data and confirm. And here go to wipe all data and confirm. And you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. You can see wiping data. And you can see data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu, reboot and reboot to system. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when it asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Redmi Note 12 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.